Would you invest in the Amazon of Latin America? MercadoLibre is down 8% in the past 1 month but still up 22% year to date. Could this be a golden buying opportunity? Let's analyze it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mindful Investing. Today we are looking at the 8th stock in my stock prediction series, and that's MercadoLibre, ticker symbol MELI. We'll break down its business model, revenue streams, key technical levels and predict its stock price for the next 1 year and 5 years. With the current EPS of $37.69, expected annual EPS growth rate of 37.5 and current PE ratio of 55.59, is MELI a buy? Let's find out. By end of this video, you'll know exactly where I plan to buy this stock and whether it deserves a spot in my portfolio. Hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy stock breakdowns like this one. Before diving into the price predictions, let's understand what MercadoLibre does and how it makes money. MELI is the leading e-commerce and fintech giant in Latin America. Think of it as an Amazon, PayPal and Shopify of the region, all rolled into one. Let's look at their revenue streams. The first one is their e-commerce business called as MercadoLibre Marketplace, the largest online marketplace in LATAM, where millions of users buy and sell products. And the second one is their fintech, which is Mercado Pago, a fastest growing digital payments platform that allows users to pay online and in stores. And the third one is their logistics, which is Mercado Envios, an in-house shipping and logistics network ensuring fast delivery across multiple countries. And the fourth one is advertising and credit services. Like Amazon, MELI also makes money from sellers through ads and provides loans via Mercado Credito. The TAM, total addressable market in Latin America, is huge. E-commerce penetration is still low compared to the US and China. MELI is aggressively expanding into fintech and credit services. Revenue growth remains extremely strong with consistent double-digit increase year over year. Now that we know how MELI makes money, let's dive into the stock price prediction and key technical levels. The current stock price of MELI is $2,095, and with my key 3 metrics, projected 1 year stock price is $2,880 and projected 5 year stock price is $10,297. These projections are based on current EPS of $37.69, estimated annual EPS growth rate of 37.5% and a PE ratio of 55.59. I believe MELI has a strong chance of hitting these targets, making it a screaming buy for long-term investors. But let's look at its key technical levels before making any moves. Right now, MELI is bouncing off its 50-day EMA, signaling a potential rebound. But I want to wait for a better entry. Here are the key buy zones I would look for. Below the 200-day EMA, which would be an ideal entry point for me, which is $1,795. That's the first strong support, and then we have 1647, another solid entry point. If it goes lower than 1647, I would look for 1574, which is a historical bounce level, and then we have 1344. This is the best long-term buying opportunity. If MELI drops into this range, I'm buying aggressively. It's already up 22% year to date, so I expect some cool down before another rally. At $2,095 per share, MELI is expensive for retail investors. I wouldn't be surprised if the company announces a stock split to make it more accessible. Amazon and Google both split their stocks to attract more investors. A split doesn't change fundamentals but often boosts buying momentum. If MELI splits 5:1 or 10:1, expect a surge in demand. And here are my final thoughts. MELI dominates the Latin America market with strong e-commerce and fintech growth. Projected 1 year and 5 year stock price suggests massive upside potential. Technical support levels indicate solid buying opportunity. I do not own MELI yet, but I'm waiting for a dip below the 200-day EMA before buying. What do you think? Is MELI a buy at current levels? Are you waiting for a dip? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next stock prediction. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.